More news. Al Falah University website has been taken down by the administrator. This is the story we have at this point in time. The university has been taken down by the the administrator itself. In fact, these are details that we have with us about the university, which has become the center of the investigations in these horrific blast case. The university's website is not functional as we speak. The Al Falah School of Medical Sciences and Research Center was the university. The website has now been taken down by the admin, is what we know. I'm going straight across to Shreya, getting in more details on that story. Of course, questions continue to be raised on the fraud also that this university did, apart from the fact that it has got some serious answering to do on the background check that it failed to do on these doctors.
Sneha, a lot of scrutiny looming on the Al Falah University right now, with that news trickling in that they had not applied for a second cycle of the NSC accreditation after it had actually expired, I think in 2013 for one of its branches, in 2016 of the another. So now there's a show cause notice that the NSC has given that why shouldn't their University Grants Commission also be revoked. Now it's not just about the background scrutiny of these doctors. How did these cars actually even enter the university campus, stay parked for so long, and these cars were the same cars being used for the ammonium nitrate stockpile that these doctors were creating? Were there no CCTV? Were there no checks and balances? Were there no scrutiny at all on who are entering and who are exiting the university campus in the first place? And as we talk, we see that the university's website has been taken down. This comes after the blast. We've seen that one of the hacker communities had hacked their website, and now as all the information of NSC accreditation, etc., trickling in, it seems like that the administrator has taken down the website of the Al Falah University in the first place. So clearly, a lot of things around this university doesn't appear to be on the lines of accuracy, and they will have to face a lot of question with the NAAC also kicking in right now. And these are latest developments that are coming in, and we are being told that a team of Delhi police officials are also right now at the Jamia address of this university, Al Falah University. In fact, the main trust is registered in Okla's Jamia Nagar, and they have a very small campus, very cramped building, where not just they operate classes from, but there are also residences that they have created in the same campus in Jamia Nagar. That is the location